Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials. Identify your device and check the battery percentage. Open Settings, then Battery or Battery Saver right away. This is where the mode lives. Once there, flip the Battery Saver toggle off to restore normal performance. You're doing this now so apps and connectivity won't be throttled. Make sure to note the battery percent that triggered the mode. That helps adjust thresholds later. If the toggle is grayed out, keep going. There's a secondary step next. Now you'll adjust how the system decides to re-enable Battery Saver. In Battery Settings, change the auto-enable threshold to 15% or a custom value that fits your routine. This prevents unexpected switches. Next, grant background activity to essential apps so they retain notifications and sync. Also inspect adaptive battery or aggressive optimization options and disable them for apps that must stay active. Once done, these steps restore functionality while preventing premature energy-saving actions that cause the mode to engage. Finish by restarting your device to ensure all settings take effect. Reboot often clears lingering power states. After restart, monitor battery use and app behavior for 24 hours to confirm Battery Saver stays off under normal conditions. If the mode reappears or won't disable, update the OS and check for power management app conflicts. As a last resort, reset battery statistics or perform a settings reset. One key troubleshooting tip. If automatic services keep enabling it, remove third-party battery managers and test again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.